double drag and stroke. This one is where we add an extra drag at the beginning. So we get our drag, which is our left, left, right, or right, right, left. Bra, bra, ba, bra, bra, ba. So again, we're playing a drag and then a drag with a stroke at the end. So stroke is just another hit. So effectively you're playing two drags, da-da-da, da-da-da, and then you just put an extra tap at the end. And then you try it all again, starting with the opposite hand. Double drag and stroke. And a bit faster.